Hey, how you guys doing? I'm here. I have a 1990 Ford Mustang 5 liter, and I have a no start condition. So I'll walk you through what I've figured out so far. So check the battery. That's good. It's 12.6, 12.8 volts. So whether pushing the clutch or not, got the fuel pump prime with the key on. I'm in neutral. I go to start, and I get nothing. So, went through a checklist. So I'll leave this on for right now. Went online, found the checklist, so I walked through it a little bit. Battery's hooked up, terminals are good. Check the engine ground, I clean the computer ground here, clean the ground there. So then I went down to my coil. It's a test light hooked up to a good ground battery. So with the ignition on, in the red and green wire, I'm getting the test light on. And then with the battery, with the key on, I'm getting a, what are you getting it? Getting a test light on. Problem is, right now, the checklist is telling me to replace the coil, but I recently just replaced the coil because this problem's been a little bit ongoing. I'm just wondering if there's any more steps. Basically what I did was, if I jump these two or these two, it'll crank. And I'm not getting spark, so I disconnected the spark from here, the spark plug from here, held it about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch from the header tube right there, and I wasn't getting any spark. So from here I'm just seeing where it can go. Recently replaced the PIP sensor in the distributor. Doesn't matter if it's spout in or spout out, it still won't start. Yeah, so if anyone has any ideas on what do you think my next step will be, please let me know. Thank you, appreciate it.